She's a perfect mixture between like being very responsible when she has to do things for the job or but also doing a lot of fun things. She's also very like introverted person, so after a long day she's like, don't talk to me. Yeah. No, we had a very great time in the UK.
I think after a while, it's like I don't want anyone to talk to me.
But I think that's normal for a team because there's always so many people around. Yeah, for me it was also hard sometimes because there's been so much going on, and sometimes I was just like, leave me alone.
Yeah. Like feel like, especially if bloody what's his name. But at least like it was good with you to share it with me because it didn't matter if I was quiet. You wouldn't care.
I always talk.
But you wouldn't care if I was quiet.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Whereas I feel like if you're with someone that you don't know, you have that extra interaction. It's a little crepe store.
Yeah, it's cool.
The game machine, you get the little toys out of it.
When was that? Or which place?
That was in Hiroshima. No, it wasn't. No, it was in
Osaka.
Osaka, yeah.
Oh, right. Well, I had a day with myself because Slinky only took me to the restaurant and yeah. No, it was
Yeah, and then
now this is a little insight of trying to walk in the city. It's pretty crowded. Okay, let's try. Okay. I don't know why I'm singing weird song. Never mind. Just trying to do the walk. But it's pretty. Yeah, I'm still trying. No, it's okay. Let's see if I can get a cut here. Yay! I got a little cut. Okay, more traffic. More traffic. Oopsie, more traffic. More traffic. Right, let's cut some more traffic. I think I will just get into the gallery here and see if I can walk better across the shopping mall. Maybe. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'll stop here.